So 20 volley for
Are you gonna
only.
use all that blacks?
Yeah, we do, of course, always. We're gonna be for our blacks. Only Tammy haircut, nobody else.
Oh yeah.
Went before.
You know this lady, she used to work in a hair salon and she does it from home now. And she lives close by, but I wasn't happy. I was never getting what I wanted, so I said, you know what, this time I gotta change.
Of the owner, I went to
My sister loves me.
That's my mother-in-law name too.
Oh, is it? Wait, tell me.
When she talked vinegar, and she said, "Go get me vinegar."
That is cute.
Thursday and Tuesday. She said Thursday, huh?
Thursday, yeah.
Okay. Feels so good when it's make them big my and
Yeah.
you know
It's rewarding.
some of them even like why am I so happy because nobody can get that follow for them.
Yeah.
And I'm like
It's rewarding. It's rewarding. It's a very rewarding
it's just like
job.
it just make my day.
I tell you, all the people go there too. They go home. I'm serious. It's so bad. But some people don't really know what they're doing. And you're using chemical. That's the thing, right?
Oh, I saw you bang rock.
Oh no! Thank God, no.
I'm like, I've been here.
Isn't that crazy? But a lot of people close down. Even restaurants.
Between very blonde here. So I'm gonna pick up blonde here to save the top here because if you use the low bleach, it's okay for the blonde, but then this one will be orange. So we have to collect this and we do the low bleach for blonde and with the high leaf for the dark. This is not even virgin color. It's the color brown or red or whatever. So here from second. So this is 25 only in bleach. And the other one I need only 10. Cover gray here and cancel Brassy. Why don't you go this way? I got it. I don't even know. Ooh, it's after an hour. That beautiful blonde. Woohoo! Look at that. And look, the hair still good. Look, hon.
Oh
Yeah, Jesus.
Thank goodness.
What? Yeah, magician! Look at that! Woo! Oh man, look at that, hon.
Oh my goodness. That's beautiful.
Beautiful. Woo! Woo! Look at that. Oh man, that's what I love it. Exciting woman. Get so much trouble under this.
That's it.
More baby. Oh. So I burn myself.
Uh-oh.
Đó, vì kia con bố kia phải. Beautiful. Wow, look at that. Who is that?
Gorgeous.
Doesn't look like the same person?
Gorgeous. No, it is not.
Not the same person?
Wow.
Wow.
Absolutely gorgeous.